Hi guys, Dan Stods 1-on-1 here. I'm on creative mode, as you can see. This is a bit of a special video. Just wanted to show you what I've created. It may not be very good to you guys, but I think it's pretty decent. It's a railroad track. This is just a random room I created, so if I'm ever in trouble, just break through that and get my flint and steel. Load up. Alright, so let's get started. So just place your cart there, right click to get in it, and then right click to flip the switch. Okay, that actually failed completely. Off. Let me just get a random object. How about cobblestone? Or my bow and arrow. 3. There we go. Should work. There we go. Alright. Try 2. And let's go. There we go. I just randomly put it all through. It's taken me quite a long time. May not seem like it, but yeah. It was one of my first times using Rails, so it's pretty good for me. This orbit is just a tunneling system, which I like. At this point, it just gets a bit annoying, so hurrah. Just gonna so let's put some. Whoa, what? Okay, don't know where that came from. So yeah, sign says through here for minecarts. This is just random room I had created. Just a lot of beds, Oh, I'm sleeping, yay, sleepy. Okay, so as you can see, I've got clocks, Minecraft, a button. Oh, what's in my inventory? Because you can't see this on creative. Can't see everything on creative, so yeah. Alright, so let's have a look at the way up. So on there, hit the switch, and I'm up. Up, left, right. Yeah. I thought it was pretty decent actually. The switch is all over the place, but you know, who cares? It looks nice, that's all that matters. And just get rid of that. Oh no, I got rid of my house. So yeah, that's my railroad. And for you who want to see, I will blow up my house for you. Okay, stand back. Well, I don't need to, I'm on creative. Here we go. Kaboom! That's a big explosion. So yeah, I'm gonna rebuild that when I can be bothered. So yeah, let's just have some more fun. Yeah, you probably only click in my mouse, but you know. Best we can get. Oh look, I'm in flying mode. Yeah, for people who don't know how to do that, just double tap spacebar. And I use left shift because it's easier, but it's up to you. I'm not sure if right shift works actually. Let's have a look. No, it doesn't. Left shift is the only one that works. So you guys want to know. So yeah. Okay. This is my. Ooh. Okay, we have struck water. Yeah. This sim goes in space, why not have a go? may not be able to see, but I'm just placing a lot of TNT. Yeah, just the thing I like about creative mode, you can do whatever you want. It's just a bit of a relax from survival, but survival is definitely my favourite mode. And of course, like I said in my other video, I shall be uploading more. So please check out my single player part 1. That's the name of it. Minecraft single player part 1. Yeah, and I think it uploaded. I am not entirely sure, but I don't think it has. I also put an informational video up, but I'll re-download that if it hasn't. Upload, whatever. So if any of you like the look of what I'm doing, just blowing everything up, well, let's go in creative mode, grab some TNT, get started. So yeah, that's pretty much all I want to show you. I want to show you my railroad track really, but it actually went shorter than I anticipated. So just messing around with stuff like this. Yeah, it's just my Skype account, don't worry about that. So yeah, this is Stods 191, bringing you a short creative video. I will be uploading more soon enough. Well, I've got other created worlds with hellgates on them who just comment, say if you want to see them. I put hellgates all over the map, so it should take me anywhere I want. So this is Stods 191. Yeah. Ooh. Oh look, I'm walking in midair. I'm walking on sunshine. So yeah, this is Stods 191. Peace out, guys. See you in a minute. Yep. No, not in a minute. Alright, see you guys.